Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the course Become a Confident Communicator. This is the beginning of your journey to becoming the leader that you truly are. You already are that leader, you just have to start that journey. Why communication? Because communication is the most important leadership skill of all. A LinkedIn research says that communication is the most sought after skill for working professionals. An article published in the Forbes says that for long-term employability, communication is the skill to learn in the age of AI. A Harvard Business Review article says that great leaders pay a great deal of importance to their communication because that is the most important job that they do. Technical skills can be easily replicated by AI. AI can do the work that technical skills can do. What makes you better? What makes you more sought after? They are the skills like ability to make connections, the ability to build relationships, the ability to motivate your team, the ability to convince seniors, the ability to build trust in a boardroom, the ability to negotiate deals. These are the skills that differentiate a leader from a non-leader. And all of these things require just one skill, and that skill is communication. And that is what I'm going to teach you in this particular course. So if you want to grow in your career, if you want to be seen as a leader, if you want to be a CXO or a CEO, the skill to learn is communication. Let me give you a sneak peek into the course. This course actually comes as a bundle of several courses, and there are 3 different bundles. The first bundle is the fundamental, the basic bundle, in which I start with the 3 principles of communication. Here, I discuss the why of communication. Why is it so important? Why is it the most crucial skill? And then we go on to the next course, which is the process of communication, where I break down for you the entire process of communication scientifically so that when you communicate, your communication is effective. Then there are 3 courses on how to make impactful presentations. Every time that you go and present, you create an impact, you create a result. How to lead meetings that give you results, not endless meetings that come with no results, but meetings with results. And how to crack the toughest interviews. In this course, I give you frameworks to answer the toughest questions in the simplest manner. I teach you what is the opportunity for you in each question and how you can present it in such a way that the interviewer sees the best part of you. The second bundle, which is the standard bundle of the course, the standard package of the course, is besides this, whatever I offer in the basic version, I also give you a 21-day Power Speaker Challenge. In the Power Speaker Challenge, you work on the 3 aspects of your communication. Number 1, your body language, your smile, your eye contact, the way you stand and the way you use your hand gestures. Then we go on to how you use your voice, the pace, the pitch, the pauses, the modulation, and you work on the structure of your speech. How to start, how to end, what to put in the middle, and how to put it in a good rounded shape so that it creates impact on your audience. And finally, you also learn how to use AI to elevate your speech. The Power Speaker Challenge is the most popular, the most loved part of my course. The third, the premium bundle, is where I share with you advanced skills, like how to handle difficult conversations, when you are speaking to your seniors, when somebody is getting angry, when you feel that relationships might go bad, but you want them to continue on the same level. How to handle that, and for that, I give you a very simple framework. In the premium course, I also teach you how to manage your self-talk, how to communicate with yourself to elevate everything around you. Communication is the key skill. So how you communicate with yourself is another powerful skill that you need to learn. I teach you the important skill of storytelling here. Not only that, you get to create your own story bank and you learn how to speak like a CEO. What is the body language of a CEO? How do they use their voice? What is the structure they use? How much information do they share? To whom do they talk? All of this, I will teach you that with the example of Steve Jobs. There are downloadable templates and tools which I encourage you to use. This will make your task easier. This will make your communication more easy, more structured, more impactful. So go to the resources section, use the notes, use the various templates that I've given you there. So are you ready to be the leader that you truly want to be? Then go ahead and click the link and join the course now. Each of the bundles, the basic, the standard, and the premium, they come with 1 year of weekly live sessions with me. So every week you will get to attend live sessions with me, some teaching, and all of your questions will be answered by me. How would you love that? Be there for the live sessions every week, learn from me live, and have all your questions answered. And all of this comes with a 7-day refund policy. If you do not like the course, if you feel it's not adding value to you, then you ask for a refund and we give the refund back to you, no questions asked. So, are you ready to take yourself on the journey of being the leader that you truly are? Go ahead, click the link below, and I'll see you inside.